guys, good morning and welcome to another Alpha.fx market analysis. We're going to start as usual with the economic calendar for today. So we already have behind us NCD and AUD news. Now ahead of us we have the ECB Guido's speech, which could impact in a pretty slightly way, we could say, all the euro related pairs. And then at 1 p.m. we have the UK interest rate decisions. After that, 230 USD initial shopless claims. So during the afternoon, it's not recommended to trade GU, right? Neither of the two. All right, let's go with this one. Today is September the 18th. Economic calendar right here. Boom. Then check relative strength. I'm gonna go with our relative strength analysis. What do we have here? The dollar recovering. That's interesting, right? After yesterday's Fed interest rate cut and the speech that was basically said that they were going to continue with the cuts, 2 more until the end of the year, but with caution, of course, because following all the data and blah blah blah, usually Powell's speech. So NCD, wow, very red. Growth rate, oh, the growth rate was negative. Oh, was highly negative. Okay. So we could check NCD USD or Euro NCD. Look, the Euro is fully green. So let's go ahead and check Euro and the strongest and NZD the weakest by far. Okay, risk on. Let's check the risk on profile for today. Okay, interesting. Oh, beautiful. Nice rejection. Look at this. Out of this entire. Beautiful. You can head lower now, right? That's beautiful. Okay, so it would be risk on according to the dollar. Let's check yields. The 5 is going down now. The 10 is going down. All in downtrend, right? Down. Okay, let's check the futures of the indices. Okay, but wait, first, let's check. Let's put the screen capture, right? So Dixie on. S&P and Nasdaq. Now let's go to the futures. S&P up. Nice, beautifully up. Risk on, baby, risk on. I think we have a very clear scenario for today. If you remember, yesterday it was all mixed due to the FOMC happening during the afternoon. Now I have to put down the NQ, but NQ is very probable to stay as beautiful, everything strong, everybody happy, everybody owning stocks are happy. Let's go here and put that in. Boom. Heat map. Let's check. Well, that we already have here. Interesting. The euro is green. Commodity currencies are down, and one is mixed. And safe havens, JPY is also kind of down, USD and euro. This is mixed. So heat map is mixed, no bias. Final break mostly on. All right. So now let's check. As we don't have more than one strongest and more than one weakest, we're gonna go straight to Euro NZD. Remember we are looking for a long trade here. Sorry guys. I didn't have a good night of sleep. Actually, it was really bad. I don't know why I'm waking up 4 a.m. every day. Wow. Whoa, look at the size of that candle, man. Rally, base rally. Whoa. We are currently in a supply zone. Right here. Boom. Okay. Alright. Interesting. 3 hours, 2 hours. Rally base rally into a supply zone. Okay, so we're gonna be cautious with this one, right? We're gonna stick with this zone, demand zone, right? If well, we have this huge rally base rally, we also have this rally base rally. So I'm gonna keep this as a zone. No, 40 pips is way too much, so we're gonna short it right here. 16 pips, that's good. That's good. So to 10, 30, 20, 15. In the 15 we have this one too, right there. Rally base, rally base, rally. Maybe we should go to this one. Yeah. Yep, we should go to this. So that would be a good long to take. Right there. But as we do have another level right below this one, right here, another level right here, what I want to do is wait for a candle confirmation. Okay, so we're gonna do the following. Where's the supply area? Let me see. And it's forming another base right at this moment. So what we are going to do is we're going to set a proximity alarm right here. Proximity alarm. And we're going to put this, automatically it sets. And what we're going to look for is when prices touch this, triggers this alarm, we're going to be looking for a 15-minute rejection candle, right? A confirmation candle. That can be a doji, a pin bar, a bullish engulfing, and we're going to trade from that, right? So we're going to put this, there we have the coordinates. I'm going to and we're going to put here there we go. In the analysis we have that we are very, very bullish. I'm going to put it here. Should we put the 4-hour or the hourly? I think the 4-hour looks better, reflects better the current condition of the EURNZD. that's a way too big, kind of, but it can be bigger. So okay. And considering we have fundamental reports behind it, reasons, right? The growth coming lower than expected for the NCD is definitely conference. Growth. Around EURNZD because okay. And if you remember when you can screen cap this, right? You can do this one, right? Half position size, or or you can wait directly for a confirmation candle. In this case, we're going to wait directly for a confirmation candle, right? We're not going to put the resting limit order. So we're going to enter full position and confirmation close. Those are the parameters. And that's it. That's all for today, guys. Stay sharp. There you have the alarm. And remember, be enough at everything you do. Bye-bye.